Good morning, Lindsay here. I'm just driving to work to drop off some paper for Chris, and I thought I would pop on and just say good morning and let you know that I was drinking my Swiss cacao ketones this morning. I am working on sewing today, and I'm working on hair scrunchies today so that I can have some sort of quick buy item, well, a couple of quick buy items, because I have those and I have a couple of other things that I'll have on my table that are quick buy stuff for like stocking stuffers and that kind of stuff. With the sale being at the end of September, people are already starting to think about stocking stuffers and all the things like that. So yeah, I wanted to be able to have some quick and easy and cheap items for people to buy for that. So hair scrunchies, and I've got some little bags and a few other things. So I'm gonna work on hair scrunchies today. I like to get like 20 or 30 of them done today. I think I'm at like 5 so far this morning, but I have to run to the restaurant to drop off paper for Chris. Kate, where are you going? So I'm just doing that. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, so now that I am done, I just need to get back home, and then I can continue on with my day, doing all the things that I need to get done. Wow, I love the way people drive. I'm taking the back alley because it is quicker than taking the road right now, because there is construction all over the place there. So, buses. Okay, pay attention. Good thing I'm paying attention. So, that is the plan for today. And I am working on, I want to figure out something new for dinner tonight, since we don't have any groceries. Well, we have groceries, but not enough to do a meal. There's enough to do a small salad, so I guess we could have leftovers, but I don't really want to have leftovers. So I might also have leftovers for lunch, I'm not sure. It depends. But I wanted to figure out, something new tonight for dinner, because I am not really getting bored with all the meals that we cook, but I am still trying to find new and exciting things that keep us going on keto, you know? Like, not that keto is boring, but you know, you get your favorites and then you start cooking them every day, and then things kind of get boring, and you don't want things to be stagnant. So if you have a favorite recipe that you haven't seen me try, you could leave it down in the comments, and perhaps I will try some of those. I do want to film some more recipe tryout videos. I really haven't done very many of those, and those seem to be fairly popular, which are great, but I don't have very many of those. I also I think it's cool that you guys like my grocery hauls too. Those ones seem to be fairly popular and people watching them. I'm just not like, I don't know. I feel like sometimes when I go grocery shopping that my grocery hauls are fairly similar. Like I buy the same ingredients all the time and all of that. So sometimes I feel like my grocery hauls are just sort of lacking because I feel like I said, that I'm buying the same stuff all over and over, right? So that's why I don't do very many grocery hauls, because of that. Like I don't have a Kroger's, and I don't have a Trader Joe's, and I don't have Sprouts or anything like that. So it's like we're pretty much stuck with Safeway and Sobeys and Walmart, and you're not supposed to be parked there, especially like that. And, you know, just the same old. Like, I know that, like, places like Save On Foods, you guys don't have that in the States, or people don't have that in the States. But to me, those just feel like regular, everyday grocery stores. So I'm not always keen on, like, going grocery shopping there and then doing a haul for you, because I just buy the same stuff. So yeah, so I'm at home now, so I'm probably gonna go, but I just, like I said, I wanted to pop on and just let you know what I was doing for the day, and then we will figure out what we're doing for lunch and dinner later. Yesterday was kind of, I wasn't really hungry, so today hopefully I'll be a little bit more hungry. Sometimes I have like a hungry day and then a not hungry day and all that kind of stuff, so I don't know, I'm trying, you know. And but yeah, I wanted to be able to find something new today, and so I'm gonna search Pinterest and stuff for that today, and then figure out something new. If it is something new, maybe I might do a tryout video for you guys, and when I cook it, and then who knows, we'll see from there. So if you have any suggestions, like I said, about food, recipes to try, please leave me a comment. Please also leave me a comment if there's other kinds of videos that you would like to see. I don't really know kind of what you guys want to see, so help with that would be wonderful. And yeah, and then, you know, maybe we can help my channel grow a little bit more with new content and that kind of stuff. And because I don't mind doing similar videos to other people, but sometimes I feel like it's monotonous. Like my keto box coming, it just got put in the mail, so it's on its way, so I can do an opening of that when that gets in and all that kind of stuff. I have some gear videos coming up, but that's more cycling stuff, so but you'll know when you see the videos pop up if it's something that you want to be watching. I know that right now most of my videos are keto videos, but Chris and I are going on an overnight trip in a couple of weeks to try out the new equipment that has arrived, just to make sure that it's the equipment that we want before we go on our trip next year. And so I will probably do some videos on that, about our night trip and stuff. And 'cause he doesn't have his bike yet, so we don't have any biking videos per se, unless I do one of myself. But I am going cycling tomorrow, but we'll see. Tomorrow is supposed to be like high teens for weather, and then it's all supposed to be they're going to be setting up for the marathon, because the marathon is on Sunday, And so they do the 5K and the 10K run tomorrow. And so I'm not sure if my cycling is going to get interrupted because of that. I'm not entirely sure. But we will see. I might film a little bit during my ride. I'm not sure. There's lots of unknowns today. But anyways, I should probably get off because I've talked to you guys for over 10 minutes. But I will see you guys when I eat, and have a great day. Hey guys, so my plans changed for the day because Chris is on his way to poker, so he won't be eating dinner tonight. So it is just after 6, yeah, it's 6:30. And I gotta clean my counter, but other than that, I just have one little spot of, I don't know what that is, but anyways, so I've decided that lunch is just going to be these sausages that need to be eaten up, because I thought Chris was going to eat them tonight, but he's not, because he had some walk box on the go. So I'm going to eat these for lunch, and then I think for supper I'm just going to have leftovers from last night. So the meatloaf muffins and a salad and probably some yogurt. So yeah, so this is lunch, pretty quick. I know it's just meat, but that's all I feel like eating right now. I don't feel like eating a ton. And I wanted to save a little bit of room for salad and stuff tonight. So that's it. And I will see you guys when I eat supper. Hey guys, so I'm just not really that hungry, so I'm going to have a yogurt with, I added peanut butter cup skinny syrup, and then I'm having a pumpkin spice keto cream in my pumpkin latte cup. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna have for dinner. And then, like, it's 10 o'clock already and I'm just not hungry, but I thought I would have something just to get a little bit more protein in today. And yeah, I'll start over again tomorrow. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.